Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the sump housing gasket in your dishwasher, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Using a 1/4-inch socket or a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the lower access panels. Set the panels aside. Use channel lock pliers to unthread the water supply line elbow fitting from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or a T20 Torx bit to unthread the screw to release the junction box cover. Note the orientation of the power wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief and power wires from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Unthread the mounting screws, securing the dishwasher to the countertop, cabinet, or floor. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now gently pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Place a weight on top of the dishwasher to stabilize it. Open the dishwasher door and remove the lower dish rack. Pull the wash arm assembly straight up to remove. Rotate the coarse filter and wash arm support counterclockwise to detach from the sump. Remove the fine filter ring and filter cup assembly. Now reach under the dishwasher and rotate the 4 sump retaining tabs clockwise. Loosen the screw clamp securing the water supply tube to the sump assembly. Pull the tube free. Now use a sturdy object to help detach the sump assembly from the base. You can now remove the old sump housing gasket. Install the new sump housing gasket by aligning it on the sump. Apply some liquid dish soap to the outside edge of the gasket. Now fully reposition the sump assembly in the base. Rotate the retaining tabs counterclockwise to secure. Confirm the screw clamp is positioned over the bottom of the supply tube, then reposition the tube over the sump port and tighten the clamp. Reposition the filter ring and filter cup assembly in the sump. Confirm the filter ring is flush with the sump, then align the coarse filter with the wash arm support. Position the assembly in the sump and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Realign the wash arm assembly on the support. Reinstall the lower dish rack. Remove the weight. Confirm that the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall, then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Rethread the screws to secure the appliance to the countertop, cabinet, or floor. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wires and strain relief in the junction box. Then thread and tighten the strain relief nut. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Join the black wires together and the white wires together and secure them with the wire nuts. With the wires positioned inside the junction box, realign the cover and rethread the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line fitting to the inlet valve. Realign the two access panels. Secure them with the two mounting screws. Turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.